Hi guys. We are doing set 6, 6 through 10. So make sure you have your paper set up. Okay, so you need to make sure that you put WOW, W-O-W, words on Wednesday. We're doing set 6, 6 through 10. Make sure that is right there at the top of your page. And we're going to put number 6 right over here. I already have virtue is to evil, and I already have my keywords bridge sentence written. In a minute, I'm going to highlight virtue and evil because those are the keywords. And as soon as we find the answer, I'm going to go ahead and write the answer bridge sentence. Make sure you're abbreviating KWBS for keywords bridge sentence and ABS for answer bridge sentence. Okay, so let's look at virtue and evil. Virtue means good, and we all pretty much know what evil means. So we are looking for an antonym. So antonyms are opposite. So is currency the opposite of a check? Currency means money, and a check is money. So no, that's not an opposite. Is innocence and blame, are they opposites? No, because you might be blamed, but you still might be innocent, even if you're blamed. Banter and chit chat. Banter is like talking back and forth. Chit chat means the same thing, so that's not an antonym either. Candor and deceit. Candor is like you're being very truthful. Your candor. Deceit means you are not being truthful. So there is our antonym. So our answer is candor and deceit. I'm going to grab the highlighter. Okay, so let's go ahead and write those down for our answer bridge sentence, and we're going to highlight the keywords in our keywords bridge sentence and the answers in our answer bridge sentence. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is what your paper should look like so far. Make sure that you're highlighting your keywords in your keywords bridge sentence and your answers in your answer bridge sentence. We are going to take a look at number 8. Cunning is strategic, and our keywords bridge sentence helps us out. Cunning has a more negative connotation than strategic. So what connotation means is it's levels of meaning. So if it's saying that cunning has a more negative connotation than strategic, strategic means that you're thinking about something. But if you're cunning, that means that it's really, really tricky. So this one is a tricky one. So connotation, for example, if I'm happy, I'm happy. But if it is if it's a higher connotation, then I would be like joyful. So that's kind of like what the connotation thing means. So let's look at what our answer might be. So does loud, and and this one has to be a negative connotation because cunning has a more negative connotation than strategic. So does loud have a negative connotation? Is it more of a negative connotation to annoying? Not really. Does isolated have a more negative connotation than friendly? No, because friendly is more positive. Does solemn just means very serious, very serious. does that have a more negative connotation than earnest? Earnest means that you're serious and you're trying hard, but solemn definitely has a more negative connotation, because you're kind of solemn and you're just not very friendly, and earnest just means that you're trying hard. Or does renewed have a more negative connotation than alive? No, actually, these two wouldn't make sense at all. So our best answer choice for number 8 is going to be solemn and earnest. So go ahead, finish filling out your paper in the same format, and go ahead and try number 9 and 10, and I will let you know what the answers are on Wednesday.